Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about uploading and managing media files. In Django, media files like images, videos, and documents can be managed using the built-in media handling functionality. These media files are commonly stored in a designated directory within the Django project, separate from static files. This separation ensures that media files can be easily accessed and managed independently from static files. For example, a website built with Django may store user-uploaded profile pictures or document attachments in the media directory to keep them organized and readily available. When working with Django, you can utilize the FileField or ImageField in a model to upload media files. These fields allow you to specify the location where the files will be stored on the server. For instance, using the upload to parameter, you can define a directory within the media root where the files will be uploaded. This can help maintain a structured organization for your media files. A real-world scenario would be creating a document model with a file field of type FileField and setting the upload to parameter to documents. This will store all uploaded files in a documents directory within the media storage. This simple implementation showcases how Django models and FileField work together seamlessly for media file uploads. Django offers a storage API for media files management. Media files within Django can be handled through the Django admin interface or programmatically within views. In the provided example, the default storage class from django.core.files.storage is utilized to interact with media files. Using this API, one can access files and perform operations like reading or writing data to them. In the given scenario, the download document view function demonstrates fetching a specific document's file path, then reading its content using default storage.open method to interact with the file. This exemplifies how Django's storage API aids in the efficient handling of media files within a Django project. When integrating media files in Django templates, you can utilize the media URL setting. This setting specifies the base URL for media files. By defining media URL in the settings.py, such as setting it to /media, you can access media files in templates. For instance, in a template, you can display an image using HTML img sars equals document.file URL alt document. This code snippet retrieves the URL of the media file named file associated with the document object and inserts the image in the template. Uploading and managing media files is like organizing a digital library of books. Just like you would label and categorize each book in your library for easy access, you upload and tag media files so they can be easily located. Renaming files and creating folders to group related media files is similar to organizing books by genre or author. Deleting unwanted files can be compared to weeding out old or irrelevant books from your library. Searching for a specific media file is like using a library catalog to find a particular book. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning 24/7 support and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The Python code shown above is a Django view for uploading and managing media files. 1. The upload media function is responsible for handling media file uploads. It checks if the request method is post, retrieves the uploaded file, saves it using file system storage, and redirects to a success message template upon successful upload. 2. The delete media function is used for deleting a specific media file. It takes the media ID as a parameter, locates and deletes the corresponding file using file system storage, then renders a template to confirm successful deletion. 3. The search media function allows users to search for media files based on a keyword. It retrieves the keyword from the request, lists all files in the storage directory using file system storage, filters the files based on the keyword, and displays the search results in a designated template. Each function interacts with the file system storage module to handle file operations within the Django application. An analogy could be drawn to managing a digital library where users upload, delete, and search for media files, akin to managing books in a library system, showcasing the utility of these operations in organizing and accessing digital content effectively. When it comes to real-world examples of uploading and managing media files, one prominent scenario is in the field of digital marketing. Digital marketers often need to handle a large number of images, videos, and other media assets for various campaigns across different platforms. By using a system similar to the one described in the Django example, marketers can efficiently upload, delete, and search for media files to ensure the smooth execution of their campaigns. Another application of uploading and managing media files can be found in the e-commerce sector. Online stores deal with a vast array of product images, descriptions, and videos that need to be organized and maintained to provide a seamless shopping experience for customers. By implementing a robust media management system, e-commerce businesses can streamline their product catalog maintenance, optimize loading times, and enhance the overall user experience on their platforms. These examples highlight the versatility and importance of efficient media file management across various industries, showcasing how such systems help streamline workflows and enhance digital asset organization. Across the globe, businesses leverage technologies like the one outlined in the Django example to handle their media files effectively and deliver engaging content to their audiences. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.